everyone, today in Leather Minutes I will show you how to install the Eyelet, and let's see about the tools we use. First of all, the Eyelet, male and female piece, and then the hole puncher, this one. You have to check too, you have to match the size, and the Eyelet setter, leather punching board, hammer.
First, use the hole puncher to punch the leather. Make sure you use the correct size that fits the eyelet. Place the eyelet into the leather. Have the long side of the eyelet face down on the setter, and use the other side of the eyelet, the shorter side, to cover it, and use the hammer to punch. And you're all set.
Key for making the eyelet is you have to hold the setter tool like perpendicular to the earth. If you like to see me doing some other tutorials, you can request me by writing some comment below. Thank you for watching. If you are new here in my channel, click subscribe and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to click like, and see you next time. Bye.